Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and finding the specific video you want to change. Once there, choose whether you will replace the existing audio, add a dubbed audio track, or simply enable subtitle-based dubbing. Make sure you have the new audio file ready in an accepted format and a matching transcript if available. While you're in the video settings, check language options and advanced settings so you don't copy the wrong configuration. This avoids rework later. Next, open the editor or advanced settings and select Add Audio or Replace Audio. Upload your MP3 or MP4 dubbed file, then position at start time using the waveform and the transcript. You should play short segments and nudge timing by fractions of a second until lip or visual cues line up. If your audio is longer or shorter, trim or extend pauses. If needed, split the original clip and mute sections to prevent overlap. Keep saving incremental versions as you refine. Finish by previewing the entire video at normal and slower speeds to confirm sync across scenes. Once satisfied, apply changes and publish or save as a draft depending on your schedule. Enable captions and language metadata so viewers can select the audio or subtitles. If you notice drift later, reopen the editor and adjust offsets, re-upload a trimmed file, or regenerate a time-aligned transcript. A key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache and test in incognito to rule out
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.